Greetings, seekers of ancient wonders. I am Sir Historious, your guide through the sands of time. Today we unravel the enigma of the Great Pyramid of Giza, an architectural masterpiece and an enduring symbol of human ingenuity. Built over 4,500 years ago, during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu, the Great Pyramid was constructed with astounding precision. It stood 146 meters tall, making it the tallest man-made structure in the world for nearly 4 millennia. But how was such a colossal feat achieved? Therein lies the mystery. Some theorize that tens of thousands of skilled laborers, yes, not slaves, but rather well-fed and respected workers, used ramps, sleds, and ingenious engineering techniques to move over 2 million limestone and granite blocks, each weighing several tons. But here's what truly astounds me. The Great Pyramid's alignment with the true north is nearly perfect, and its proportions echo mathematically constants like pi and the golden ratio. Could this be a coincidence? Or did the ancient Egyptians possess knowledge beyond their time? And what about the pyramid's purpose? It was more than just a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu. The precise placement of its chambers and air shafts has sparked theories about its spiritual and astronomical significance. Was it a gateway to the afterlife? A celestial observatory? Or was it both? And the pyramid is not just an engineering marvel, it's a cultural treasure. It represents the ancient Egyptians' deep connection to their gods, their belief in the afterlife, and their unparalleled ambition to achieve immortality through architecture. The Great Pyramid of Giza is more than a relic of the past. It is a testament to the boundless creativity of humanity, a beacon from antiquity, whispering the secrets of a lost world. What other mysteries do the pyramids hold? Perhaps one day we shall uncover them together. Intrigued by the past? Like, subscribe, and let Sir Historious guide you to more wonders of history. Farewell, my friends, until our next journey through time. May your curiosity never wane.